Hey everybody, hope you're all doing great. So this time we're going to be going over elapsed time. And before you ask what elapsed means, you're actually about to find out. So let's get started. What is elapsed time? Well, elapsed time refers to the time between the start and end of an activity. So you might say, it took me 15 minutes to walk to school, or I had 30 minutes to finish my test, meaning it took you 15 minutes from the beginning of your walk to the end of your walk to school, and then you had 30 minutes from the beginning of your test to the end of your test. So check this out. Whatever it is we're doing, our start time is going to be 5:25 p.m., meaning it's in the afternoon. Our end time is going to be 5:48 p.m. How long did it take? Well, here we have our clock, and our blue hand is going to be our hour hand. And since it's between the 5 and 6, we know that we're in our 5 hour. The red arrow is going to show us our minutes, and it's pointing at the 5 to show us that we're at 5:25. This green arrow is saying that we have moved to 5:48. It's 3 ticks past the 9, 9 representing 45 minutes, so we're at 5:48. We have to figure out how much time went between the red arrow and the green arrow. Well, given that the hour is the same, the only thing we need to worry about is the minutes. So we need to figure out what is the difference between 48 and 25. Difference means that we have to subtract. So we have 48 minus 25, which equals what? 23. That's right. It took us 23 minutes to do whatever it is we were doing. So let's look at this one. Our start time for our activity is going to be 3:13 p.m. And then our end time is going to be 3:56 p.m. So how long did it take between our start and end time? Well, on our clock, we have our blue hand that's going to point to our hour and our red hand that's going to point to our minutes, showing 3:13. And the green arrow again is going to show us where we moved to 3:56. And again, we need to figure out what time difference there is between the red arrow and the green arrow. So given that the hour is still the same, all we have to do is worry about the minutes. Meaning we have to figure out what is the difference between 56 and 13. We have to subtract. So 56 minus 13 equals what? Yep, 43. It took 43 minutes to finish the activity. Now you're going to give it a try. You're going to solve these problems and submit them to your teacher. Don't forget to write them down. How much time passes between each start and end time? That's all you got to figure out. I'll give you a hint. You're only worried about the minutes. Good luck, guys.